We're gonna do animal noises, okay?
Okay.
What kind of noise does an elephant make?
Woo!
What kind of noise does a cow make? What kind of noise does a horsey make?
Neigh.
Neigh. What kind of noise does a doggy make?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
What kind of noise does a kitty cat make?
Meow, 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 meow.
What kind of noise does a duck make?
Cat, 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 cat.
Cat, 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 cat. What other animal noises do you know?
And elephant.
An elephant?
Yes.
Do the elephant. Woo! That's good. What kind of noise does a lion make? That doesn't sound like a good noise. You made Topanga bark. What kind of noise does Topanga make?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
What's your name?
Carolina.
Carmelina.